Good morning or afternoon, whenever it is that you're watching this. I hope you're staying healthy, safe, and hydrated. Make sure that you don't go out when it's really, really hot, especially for elders and of course for children, okay? It is unbelievable. So make sure that you stay hydrated and make sure that you're aware of the dehydration symptoms, okay? You guys are in medical, so, make sure that you understand that so you can see it. I think my husband got dehydrated the other day and I wasn't able to gauge on the symptoms, okay? So very, very critical. So make sure that you're staying inside, at peak times, which is basically all day, and make sure you hydrate. Even if you're not thirsty, make sure you, drink enough water and you, just are very conscientious about that, okay? And then check up on your elders so that way you know that they're okay. So this is for Monday 17th. I think I'm only going to do daily attendance, one daily attendance for this week, okay? And that's today for Monday 17th. Hopefully if everything pans out and everything's good with YouTube, I'll be able to upload this a day before as usual. Remember that these are due usually about 5 or 6, okay? On the same day, and then I always leave it open a following day, okay? So moving right along, if you all need anything, make sure that you text me. I usually text really really quick, okay? So if there's anything that you need. So moving right along, make sure that you read chapter 4. Yeah, I'm not going to mention that. But okay, so let's make sure that you read chapter 4. Remember that all work is supposed to be turned in Word document. If for whatever reason it pops up in PDF, learn how to do that because it's important that you learn how to do that. If, if you still can't do it on Word, just send me a text and tell me, hey, miss, I tried, or something happened and there was a PDF. I'm pretty flexible unless I think that you're taking advantage of me or you're BSing me, all right? So, and remember, I'm a high school principal so I can check that out. I'm also psychic and I'm also a mother. So it's more than a double whammy. All right. I'll be able to figure it out. Okay, so this is for Monday 17th, daily attendance. We're going to be doing chapter 4. It needs to be copied and pasted onto a Word document. You need to title it with my name, the course number and section, okay? And your name, and then of course, the title of the homework, okay? So make sure that you do chapter 4, okay? So moving right along to business communication. All this is due Wednesday midnight, okay? So Wednesday midnight is when this is due. So business communication, we're going to do objectives. Remember that that's at the end of the chapter. Learning objectives checkup. You need to copy and paste. It's going to be questions 1 through 19 onto a Word document. You either copy and paste the whole thing, including the objectives, and then just highlight the answer, or you can do the objectives, copy and paste the objectives, all the question, and then of course you need to maybe copy and paste the answer, and that's good enough. So whatever is easiest for you, okay? So that I try to make it as easy as possible. So objective 4.1 through 4.5, which is what you're going to be looking at this week for business communication, and questions 1 through 19, okay? Copy and paste it onto a Word document, and then make sure that you upload that onto your SU. So moving right along to business communication, English 133. I was trying to write down your timestamp. So English 133, A500, English 133, A501. Remember that you need to read the chapter, and everything is at the end of the chapter. Your test, which will not be graded as test, it will be graded for this week as homework, okay? And all you have to do for that is test 1. So copy and paste it, and then make sure that you write your answer, typed it out. I do not accept anything that is handwritten, just so you can get used to it. And then make sure that you title it with your name, your course, your section, my name, and then of course the title of the of your assignment, okay? So moving right on to English 145, A500, and A501. Remember that this is, copied and pasted onto a Word document, okay? And you're going to do chapter 4. Remember that you're going to do practice, not remember, but make sure that it's in your Word document. So you're going to copy and paste practice 1 and 2 and exercise 1, 2, and 3. So practice 1 and 2 and exercise 1, 2, and 3 for chapter 4. All this is due on Wednesday, midnight, okay, of this week. And that should be really easy, okay? Namaste, love and light.